Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnson Keys. Alright, so let me quickly show you one way you can use your C old tone scale. It goes like this. So your C old tone scale goes C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and then C. So one of the ways you can use it is you can put them in thirds and do something like this. Okay, so what am I doing? So I'm doing the first note, then I'm doing a third on the second from the second note in the scale. You know, we are in a scale. We are referring to a scale now. So this is all tone scale, right? So C all tone scale. So we have then I have D and F sharp. So I do the same thing here. D, and then I go E and A sharp. Then I do the same thing here, E, then I go F sharp and B flat, then I do the same thing here, and I keep going like that, F sharp to A flat and C, and I do the same thing here, A flat to B flat and D, then B flat to C and E, and it keeps going like that, pa 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 pa. So you can do something like that. So you can go along with any chord, maybe quarter harmony. So you can have something like that. And it keeps going like that. And I mean, you can just look for. I mean, you can just do anything with it. And it keeps going like that. Alright, so please, disclaimer, I know when to use this. Please don't do this anyhow in church, so they don't send you away and you say, oh, Johnson Keys showed me something that sent me out of church. I didn't do that. That's not the purpose for this video. Please use at discretion. User's discretion is advised. Please. God bless you. Don't forget to check the description below to get my intermediate piano course. Bye.